Is your glass half empty or half full? Either way, you can take off your mask to enjoy a drink. Dwelling on the positive intentionally is crucial to our mental health. Welcome to the Silver Lining, a celebration of nature in the time of pandemic. Even though the pandemic has been difficult for many reasons, one positive outcome is that our green spaces have enjoyed more footfall and appreciation than ever before. People have increasingly sought refuge in the great outdoors. Nature, as it has since the beginning of creation, continues to bring humanity a sense of calm and give us models of resilience. Perhaps most importantly, being in nature humbles us to realize that we are part of something much bigger than ourselves. And that's okay. Throughout February and March, view stunning images from members of the Nature Photographic Society, Singapore, at the Colonnade at Gardens by the Bay. This photo exhibition will be launched on the 5th of February with a host of family-friendly activities. We hope to bring you a sense of optimism for the year ahead. Come what may, life goes on.